Today we are making a Wednesday Addams Halloween punch. This drink is spooky, dark, and flavorful. My name is Alyena, or Wednesday, and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing you need is a punch bowl. And to it, this is optional, but I like to make a little ice mold because it melts slower than just adding ice to your punch, and it's also pretty. So you can add some food coloring to your ice mold. I added a little purple as well as some mint leaves, and we can just pop this in. Next, I'm just going to add in 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This adds a nice level of acidity and freshness to our drink. Next, I'm going to add a 3/4 cup of my black cherry simple syrup. You can buy this at the store, but I really recommend making it. To make my black cherry simple syrup, all you need is 1 cup of frozen or fresh black cherries, and you can add this to your saucepan with 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. You will let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until your cherries are soft and your sugar has dissolved. Then I recommend mashing or blending your cherries into your simple syrup and then straining it 1 to 2 times to make sure there's no pulp left, and letting it cool to room temperature. And here we have a 3/4 cup of our black cherry simple syrup. And now, as this is a boozy punch, I have some vodka, and I'm going to add 2 cups of my vodka. But if you want this to be a less strong drink, you can always subtract the amount of vodka. We are going to add some Creme de Cassis. This is a black currant liqueur, and it also adds another layer of darkness to our drink, as well as some color. So I have 1/2 cup of my Creme de Cassis going in. And as you can see, this is not a very large punch. So as this is for a party, I am going to top it up with some champagne. I have 2 bottles of my champagne. If you are serving this later in the night, do not add your champagne yet. But now we can pop these open, as I'm going to have a drink as soon as possible. Now, this is completely optional, but if you want to add some smoke to your party, I recommend buying some dry ice. I found this at Smart & Final. Now it's time to serve ourselves a drink. I think this is the perfect cocktail to serve at your Halloween party. Dark, fruity, exactly how I like it. If you would like to see some more of my Halloween cocktail recipes, there will be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Halloween. Cheers.